Many thanks go out to Bullgear RC. Got the stickers, man. Thank you. Axial SEX10, getting ugly. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna go for broke, and I am gonna upgrade the ESC and motor, and I'm also gonna upgrade the servo. I actually got this ESC motor servo. I picked this up for upcoming build, but I don't know. The more this stuff sat around, the more I want to use it on the SEX10 too. The servo is the Savox 1210. With this servo, I'm going to use a 25 tooth aluminum servo horn. This was actually something that I got free. One of the things I ordered, I can't remember, but it's aluminum. It seems okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And the ESC motor combo. The motor is a 1406, a 3800 kV censored motor. And it's the Mamba X Crawler Edition. And opening up the boxes, here is the Mamba X, and here is the Slate Crawler motor. Alright, so let's get to work. So in my last video, you saw me install the RC 4-wheel drive, the Warren winch, and I had an extension of the receiver already, so I just plugged the Y connector in. Well, when I open up the box here, I'm going to clean all that up, as well as get the servo and ESC hooked up. Alright, so I got the receiver box cover off. I'm going to go ahead and start to take out this servo. The 4 screws that hold the servo are out. I'm going to go ahead and take off the servo horn. And all I had to do is just pull it back a little bit so I could get to the center screw. Alright, just going to go ahead and take this screw off that is attached to the link. And I am going to have to loosen up this floor pan because the wires are fed through a little side rail here. So I'm going to loosen up the floor pan and get that wire out. Alright, so the old servo is out, and now I'm going to put on the aluminum servo horn to the steering link. I'm going to put a little bit of thread locker on this thread just before I screw it into the aluminum servo horn. Alright, so I got the new servo out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and put this onto the top and make sure I mount it the same way that the other one came off. So what I want to do is I'm going to plug this in, I'm going to center this, and then I'll hook up the servo horn and the link, and then I will put the 4 screws holding the servo in. And guys, if you pick up one of these Savox servos, make sure you pick up some wire, the extensions. They just don't give you enough wire to usually make it. So I'm going to have to put a small extension onto this because I'll never make it into the receiver box. So I have the extension on. It's going to be really tough. Actually, it won't fit this joint into the rail, so I'm not really too worried about it. I'm going to just put this floor pan back on, and I'll just tuck this wire away. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook up the servo horn to the servo, and to do it, I'm just going to pull it back a little bit. Alright, so the horn's on. Now I got to just get this servo put in with the 4 screws. When you take out the stock servo, just make sure you don't lose this little loop piece. It just keeps your wires tucked away, so you don't want to lose this when you're taking off the stock servo. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in for the Savox. So the new servo is in. Plenty quick. Alright, so now I'm going to tackle the motor and ESC, but I'll tell you what, it is super hot, so I'm going to take a break. I'm going to call it for this video, and this is going to be a 2-part series. So please tune in for the ESC and motor install, and I'm going back into the air conditioning. Too hot. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you all soon. Take care.